is inconsistent with what they were predicting according to the Big Bang model, that what they would find are solar systems and galaxies from 8 billion years ago in an early formation of development. And when we look at the image, have you looked at the images of the James Webb?
Oh yeah, no, I've read the
Okay,
papers
yeah,
on it. We actually
and the galaxies that we see are very complex and well formed.
so so this is actually really convenient timing because I was actually in my general relativity class talking about the early universe when these images came out. So we actually had to have a lengthy discussion with my professor on this. And
How do they? How do does anybody know about the early stage of the universe? How do they know that?
so the same way you just explained how the James Webb Telescope looks further and looks further into the past because light takes time to travel. Is
Oh,
the,
how fast do photons travel in space?
3.8 times 10 to the seventh meters a second.
Okay, you talking about 300,000 kilometers per second?
It might be, I have to look up the exact conversion, but something like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So the asynchronous speed of light is false.
What do you mean the asynchronous speed of light?
You're an astrophysicist, college student. You don't know what the asynchronous convention of the speed of light is?
No, because the speed of light is constant.
And how do you know that? And how do you know that?
Because it's been well tested. You can look if you want to look.
Okay, well,
You go back and
hold on
look
a
on
second.
stuff.
Hold on a second. Hold on a second. The constancy of the speed of light is one thing. Is light measured in a one-way direction or two-way?
Usually measured in two way, or I guess no, you can
Usually,
measure it in one way.
really? And who has done that?
You can literally do an experiment. We didn't do this experiment, but we did. What you can
Who
do
who me,
is,
who measured the speed of light in a one-way direction?
do you want me to look it up? I don't have the name offhand. I
No,
can look it
you
up right
told me
now.
that they did. No, no. Guess what? You're either lying or you're ignorant because nobody. It's impossible to measure it in a one-way direction.
I can't turn on a light source
No,
and
sir. You're listen. You're fibbing. Okay. If you are an under, did you do you have a bachelor's degree in astrophysics?
yes.
Okay. Nobody's measured the speed of light in a one-way direction.
So can I ask you a question?
Sure.
So you're saying it's impossible to like measure, turn on a flashlight and see how long it takes to hit an emitter?
No, I don't. You're not understanding because you have to synchronize. You would have to synchronize clocks.
We can't synchronize clocks that precisely. That's why it
Yeah,
can't be measured. You
yeah.
have to use the same measuring device.
You would
You're
have to
right. My bad.
synchronize. Okay. Yeah. So you know what? You have a bachelor's degree in astrophysics, and you're getting smoked.
I don't. I feel the students have to do with the overall point of
Yeah, I'm trying to explain to you.
that.
Okay. Well, first of all, you don't know what the speed of light is in a one-way direction. Could the speed of light be instantaneous going out and upon return 600,000 kilometers per second?
Technically, yeah. That's not
Okay,
impossible.
okay, good. So then the speed of light isn't necessarily constant. It
So,
could be almost instantaneous one way and the 600,000 kilometers round trip.
give me 1 second, because we did do
Okay,
this.
so so
Wait,
okay,
wait, can you give
so
me 1
so
second?
because you observe the consistency of the two-way speed of light here on Earth, does it follow from that it's the same at all times and all places in the
Um,
universe?
yes, because you can predict things that
Oh,
would be
okay. So let
false.
me ask you this something. Do you believe in a Higgs field?
In the Higgs field,
Yeah. Do you believe that?
I can look up what it is real quick.
Do you believe in the Higgs field?
Um, I haven't really researched it that much. So I'm not.
Okay, yeah, I don't believe you. I think you're absolutely lying of having a bachelor's degree in astrophysics
If you want, I can
because
turn on my camera and show you the degree.
yeah, okay. I find this hard to believe. Okay,
So
the
first of
Higgs
all,
field,
wait.
the Higgs field. Let me ask you this question: could there be at a subatomic realm a state of affairs that impedes the speed of light in proximity to objects of large mass and outside the impedance of objects of large mass, that light could be orders of magnitude faster than how we measure it in our locale?
There's no evidence for that. So I would
No, no,
say
no, no. I didn't ask you. Is that impossible?
Okay. Can I explain to you what you're doing right now?
You know what? You're dodging my question.
The point is,
Can the speed of light be impeded?
as we know right now, no.
Okay, okay. I simply do not believe you here. Can the speed of light be impeded by water?
No.
Yes, it can.
So,
Why
wait, can I explain the
why do
physics
you think
behind
they
it?
say the speed of light in a vacuum? If nothing can impede the speed of light, why would it be necessary to say a speed of
Because
light in a
you don't
vacuum?
understand that the absolute speed changes, but the speed of light itself isn't. Can I explain what
No,
happened?
no. Can photons be slowed down or impeded by some type of medium?
No. Can I explain? No. And can I explain?
No, so it can't.
No. Can I explain?
Okay. Now you see, I'm going to get rid of you because you don't know what you're talking about.
I'm
Goodbye.
trying to give you an explanation and you don't let me answer.
Okay. All right. What he's attempting to do is just play a little shell game here. Okay. Where's the P under what shell? The theory is that the speed of light is constant, but that the speed of light can be impeded under certain conditions and mediums. What he's doing is he's trying to talk about the concept of the speed of light in a vacuum unimpeded versus the speed of light through certain mediums. So the speed of light can be impeded under certain mediums. And either he's ignorant of this or he's purposely being deceptive. And I cannot believe that he claims he has a degree in astrophysics and he's ignorant of this.
Well, a quick Google search shows that it can be slowed. It was discovered by Jean Foucault in 1850.
Well, according to our bachelor's degree in astrophysics, it can't be impeded. Another train wreck.